This is Michelle being a Todd with her big teddy bear.
We're walking through Walmart, right?
Let's do this.
Ready?
We're walking through Walmart.
Oh wait, people working here.
Sorry about the squeaky shoes. Somebody's gonna yell at you.
Where's my grandparents at?
I have no idea.
I'm getting hair
This
in
is
my
like
mouth.
sandpepper status right here. The girl just looked up. She's like,
Oh, wait, this person.
she's coming after you. You better go. Go, go, go. We just see the Walmart lady.
I'm dead serious. Look, it says love. What's this say? What's up?
There's some people that just look really strange. You better be careful.
Hey, it's Willie Robertson!
Okay.
That was good.
That was a good one. And that's what you get when you walk around Walmart.
Yeah, I probably didn't catch most of their face. Sorry.
You were done. I'm normal.